You will take screenshots of all your searches and all your results. So for example, here's a search that I'm going to do for one of my math sites. I used the and learn how to count, and in the or field I put the word interactive, and in this example I'm going to use the snipping tool. So if you have a Windows computer, you can use the snipping tool, and you can always do a search on your computer to find that tool. And mine is in my taskbar, and I'll click on it and say new. And I'm going to make sure that I get the snipping of what my search is. And here I will say edit and copy. And I'm going to come down to my Word doc that I'm using for this one. This is my first math search. And I'll just click in between here and do a paste. And that's good enough. And I will close my snipping tool and come back to my search and click Advanced Search. And this looks like a pretty successful search. Maybe 43 billion is a little bit much, but I recognize a lot of these sites. So if I want to choose a site from down here, you might find sites lower down on your list. I want to make sure that I can see your search results up here in the search bar. So if you hold your control key down and hit the minus or dash button at the top of your keyboard, that will start to make everything smaller, so that if you wanted to include this site here on your spreadsheet, you would be able to get it. Again, snipping tool, new. I get this information up here and the site that I want. Edit, copy, back to my Word document. Here's my results. Paste. And you will just continue in that fashion. If you decide to use PowerPoint to take your to put your screenshots in, PowerPoint actually, I'm going to go to my PowerPoint screen. In PowerPoint, if you click on the Insert tab, right here you have a screenshot option. And if you click that, mine is blacked out right now because I'm actually using PowerPoint to make this video. But you can just click right here and your screenshot will pop right in here. You'll just want to make it a little bit smaller so that you can see the headings here on your slide. If you use Google Docs, again, you would just do a simple paste in here. And since I've already copied one thing, I can go ahead. I'm just going to do a Control V on my keyboard to paste something in. And here it is, and I'll resize it down a little bit. When I grade your homework, I can always size these to be bigger if I need to see them. If you have a Macintosh computer, holding down the Command, Shift, and number 4 key will allow you to take a screenshot the same way the snipping tool does. Once you hold down the Command, Shift, 4 key, you won't get this little dialog box, but your screen will be grayed out and you should see a cursor, something similar to this. Once you take your click and drag the area, it will automatically put the file on your desktop and call it screenshot. From there, you'll be able to open up that screenshot and copy and paste it into your documents.